Saturday, it's launch day for Brisbane One. We've seen this project take over 1,200 inquiries. A large proportion of those are from Brisbane locals, as well as from Sydney and international. We've seen that turn into $50 million of transactions in our first EOI appointments from 8 o'clock till 10 o'clock. We're now going through the walk-ins. We're expecting that target to continue and go above and beyond for this project in 2015.
This is a huge project for Brisbane as a whole. It's 608 apartments across 3 towers. These towers will be the pinnacle of South Brisbane. Glass shards rising out of a jungle in the middle of this urban environment. In addition to that, each of the buildings has its own rooftop amenity, which will be looking above South Brisbane, back at the CBD, 360-degree panorama in every direction.
The main focus of our purchase is basically the location that we're looking at. Brisbane One has very good location. It's very close to Brisbane City, and it's very close to South Sydney as well. And we're also looking at the area that's going to develop around Brisbane One.
Brisbane City Council has invested a lot of money on the infrastructure in the South Brisbane area. So I think that's why we're so interested in investing in Brisbane, and especially this site.
Queen's Wharf is such a big development, $3 billion project. It's going to provide the area with a massive structural uplift, 50 new bars and cafes, the new sky deck, nightly light and water shows on the river. It's going to be a fantastic asset, and it's going to cause the area, the values in the area to increase.
We're seeing a transforming city that is really going to be based on a lot of structural uplift, where we see existing infrastructure combining with new projects like Brisbane One to create equity for buyers, to create a better community, but also facilities and for the city. It is changing quite dramatically, and South Brisbane is such an exciting time to be accessing in terms of an apartment.